Hey there, folks. If you're a senior citizen in 2025 and relying on your MetroCard for daily commutes, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide on how to refill your senior citizen MetroCard online. This process is designed to make things easier and more convenient, saving you trips to the station. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a device with internet access, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Head over to the official MetroCard website. In 2025, it's even more user-friendly, so look for the Senior Services portal right on the homepage. Once you're there, sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Click on the Create Account button and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide your personal details, like your MetroCard number and some verification info to confirm your senior status. Next, once logged in, navigate to the Refill Options section. Here, select your senior citizen MetroCard from the list if you have multiple cards. Now, choose the amount you want to add. Options might include $20, $50, or custom amounts based on your needs. Keep an eye out for any promotions. In 2025, there could be discounts for seniors to make commuting more affordable. After that, proceed to payment. The site supports various methods like credit cards, debit cards, or even digital wallets for a seamless experience. Double-check your details to avoid any errors, then hit Confirm Payment. You'll get an instant confirmation on screen, and your card should be updated within minutes. Finally, check your email for a receipt and any additional instructions. And that's it. You're all fueled up for your next adventure around town. Remember, staying digital savvy can save you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.